Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please part of your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Right here, the court confirms something critical. The plea is knowing and voluntary. That's legal language with serious weight. It means the defendant fully understands what she's admitting to and the consequences that come with it. There's no going back after this point. But notice how quickly the conversation shifts towards sentencing and jail time. The defense is already trying to soften the impact, asking for credit for time served and even suggesting treatment instead of incarceration. So let me ask you, if someone asks for treatment mainly to avoid jail, should the court still take that request seriously?
And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
This moment right here is crucial. The judge isn't just asking questions, he's testing consistency. And when the defendant admits she asked for treatment simply to avoid jail time, that's a huge red flag. Courts are far more likely to support rehabilitation when it's genuine. But if it sounds like a tactic instead of a need, it loses credibility fast. This is where her case begins to slip. So think about it. Should the system prioritize rehabilitation even when the intent behind it seems questionable?
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time?
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. So, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know.
The judge now shifts from questioning to evaluation, and it's not looking good. He points out her history: multiple drug convictions, failed probation, and disappearing from supervision. These aren't small issues. They show a pattern. And in court, patterns matter more than promises. Even though she's expressing goals and motivation, the judge is focused on actions, not intentions. It raises a powerful question. How much weight should someone's future plans carry when their past shows repeated failure?
With probation, not at all. You just ghosted us.
I know. If I get probation this time, I told myself, like, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and by summertime I'd be working. I really want to get a car, but aside from the job thing, just I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, man. I don't know, it's just, it feels different, it feels really different.
Well, here's what,
Is there any probation that you can lead me to, like, you know?
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on that, on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93, plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
They only been walking.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not,
you can do the jail time.
ma'am, I'll do treatment,
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do,
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I asked the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here, I'm gonna need,
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here, you know, I have my,
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't, I think I need treatment instead,
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
no, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in, because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
This case is a powerful reminder of how critical consistency and credibility are in the courtroom. The defendant had opportunities, probation, reduced charges, even potential treatment, but conflicting statements and a pattern of non-compliance ultimately led the judge to impose 138 days of jail time. From a legal perspective, the ruling reflects a balance between accountability and the court's concern about future behavior. The biggest takeaway? Words matter, but actions matter more. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.